Hello everyone. Hope everybody are safe during this COVID-19 times. And I'm Senthil, Director of Value Foundation Academy. This video I'm going to talk about how to show you're passionate in a new job interview. So I know you may have a very best or impressive resume. You would have had an excellent grades in your school and colleges, and you may have a, a very good technical projects which have won prizes, and you may have a lot of other accolades or internships in your resume. But still, there are some companies who have not selected you, and you may not be knowing why these people have rejected you. But one or two people would have told about your this is because you people are not meeting the company requirements, or there is an area you need to work on your attitude or about your passion. Okay, so this video I am going to talk about your passion. So as a beginner or a fresher or even for a senior roles, people hire for their skill, knowledge, but more than that, attitude or passion is very very important. We all know, as a beginner you may not know, you may not know much, or you may not be much experienced. So here comes your passion. So there are two school of thoughts, where one, we need to show up, or where we need to talk and demonstrate everything. So we people believe that it's all there in the resume, and if you would have got to do these kind of work, it is implied that we would be having that knowledge. Please understand, it is must you communicate to the interviewer, because interview is a process of selling yourself, where you need to talk about your accomplishments. So demonstrating passion is not only a predictor of a great job candidate. Our hiring managers refers this trait repeatedly in their interview feedback. So to succeed in any of your job interview, you need to figure out how to convey what matters most to you. Here is how. Start with your why. Again, I'm saying it. Start with your why. So most resumes and interviews, we respond a long list of what we have did, and without even delivering why, we would be talking about what all we have been doing in our life. So instead of telling your hiring manager what you have done, begin by explaining your motivations, why you choose to do that activity, because they would be more interested in knowing why, because what you have done is already there in their resumes. So talk of something which you are very passionate about. Say for example, if you choose something, so what is the impact you have done in that work? Say for example, some may be good at building a software, because you believed that technology can change things, that technology can do something uh, fundamentally different. It can help people at the process of any organization. So talk about why you choose the course, why you choose the company, where you went for that internship, what made you to choose the organization where you went. That's all very very important, because that would tells who you are and what kind of person you are. So that will show uh, what kind of person you are basically. So discuss where you invest extra time. This is the second and very 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 important thing. So because that will show that you are committed in that work. People who are smart, who work hard and get results, will be expected to do something extra. So they would be very much interested what you do extra than the other candidates, because that is an extra overage where you can impress the interviewer. And share your hobbies. So people would be interested to know, and I'm sure these hobbies would obviously have relation to your passion and your hobbies. Say for example, if you would have done a YouTube channel, right? So and or some journal or some paper presentation, or you go and teach somebody, or you go and support people or the organizations like NGOs, or so these are some of the hobbies where you can share what you have done, the knowledge or passion what you have in your hobbies. So also talk about where you worked for free. And I'm sure that these days few people get an opportunity to do a lot of internships and pre-placement trainings, because that will give you an opportunity to show them that what you know, what you have done, part of that work, what you can't write everything in your resume. So after using these techniques during interviews, I'm sure you would be hired by a competitor of the company uh, that had rejected you earlier, or same company, you have high chances of you getting selected. So please understand, you should really work hard and practice to communicate these things which can get you a job easily. So I'm sure this video would help you to demonstrate or to show you're passionate in a job interview. So meet you in the next video. Thank you very much. Do subscribe for this channel, Video Value Foundation Academy. Thank you once again. Bye bye.